Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Jeep Grand Cherokee louder. One of the easiest methods to achieve a more aggressive exhaust note is by performing a muffler delete. This involves removing the factory muffler and often replacing it with a straight pipe. This modification significantly increases the exhaust volume, giving your Jeep a much more noticeable presence on the road. It's a popular choice for those seeking a quick and impactful sound upgrade. Another effective method to enhance your Jeep's sound is a resonator delete. The resonator's primary job is to reduce specific frequencies that cause drone, but removing it can free up more sound. While it might not be as dramatic as a full muffler delete, it still contributes to a louder and more pronounced exhaust note. Many enthusiasts combine both a muffler and resonator delete for the ultimate sound experience, balancing volume with minimal drone. Before making any modifications, consider the potential for exhaust drone, especially at highway speeds. While a louder exhaust is exciting, excessive drone can become tiresome on longer drives. Also, always verify your local noise regulations to ensure your modifications are compliant. For the best results and to avoid any issues, we highly recommend having these modifications performed by a qualified exhaust shop. They can advise on the best approach for your specific Jeep. If you're looking for even more performance and a custom-tuned sound, consider a full aftermarket catback exhaust system. These systems are engineered to optimize exhaust flow and deliver a specific sound profile, often with less drone than simple deletes. High-flow catalytic converters can also contribute to a louder exhaust and improved engine breathing. For more deals and to grab some little trees black ice, check the description below. Thanks for watching and enjoy your louder Jeep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.